National Rose Day here at HTL Pines. You should have been here.
Welcome to High Time. Make yourself at home. We got everything you need, everything you want. That's over there next to this. Anything you looking for, we have. What you want?
What's your name, boss? Dorms.
Yeah, dorms.
Okay, I like
Nah,
that
it's
name.
not no bullshit either.
That sounds like you was born in the Game of Thrones. That's the name for the Game of Thrones. Alright, dorms. Alright, so here we go again. We're back at it again. Behind the glass. It's National Rose Day today. I got a blow pop. It's strawberry. Tastes like rose to me. Guess who else we brought with us? We brought Andrea, lovingly known as
Puga.
Come on, girl. If you don't slide in, girl, that's why we brought you. Matter of fact, and guess who else is here? Andrea's mom, right on time. Go ahead, come on, slide on in, Miss Andrea.
I'm sorry.
No, don't be. Come on. Look at it. Now you see where the beauty comes from. They make this easy on us, don't they? So let's go ahead and get started. All right. So, what you think, Dorn?
I'll put it up there with the better. Like right there.
Okay, so you really like it. This is a no-cap show, man. You can look them in their eyes and tell them, man.
Hey, I see that.
Okay, this is the Cavit Rose. I don't know Dorn like that, but if you know him, you know he don't cap. So, that's how it is. Cavit Rose Limited Edition 2017. What do you ladies think?
I like it. Good. It is good.
Listen, everybody loves it. I better hurry up and sip. That is good. I don't know if it's the blow
I
pop.
was gonna say you have the blow pop flavor
But
though.
it is good. Normally,
Double take.
see? Well, you know what I mean? Normally, oh, you know what? Oh, I feel so horrible. Pedro, dog, don't kill me.
Pedro, come
Come on, man.
Come in.
Not a camera guy.
Okay, well, at least get a cup. I know you're a rose guy. Go ahead, get your hand in the shot. That's what we like to see.
Yes,
Told you
sir.
he was here. We ain't make him up. You know what I'm saying? Then you bring a nice young lady with you, Dorn?
Sweet.
Nice young lady. Would you like to try some rosé on National Rose Day, which is June 8th, which is this year? It's actually the second Sunday in June every year. Would you like to try?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Come on down. Get your own cup.
Surprised you didn't take it first. You missing the wine lover.
Mr. Wine Lover, he put you out there like that.
Great.
I had to know.
National Rose Day here at HTL Pines. You should have been here, but you don't follow us at HTL Pines or HTL Pompano, Instagram and Facebook. You could have got a lollipop.
Or a cup.
Oh, I like my dog already. Make it easy for me. All right, you can go ahead and sip on that because we're gonna move on to the next thing. So sip slow. Let me get some ice. Hold on. Cup shouted. All right, so this is 3 Olives Rosé. What we're actually gonna do, I'm gonna have everybody taste it straight first.
Oh,
All right,
wow.
no ice, no nothing. We're gonna taste it straight because that's what you really gotta
We need the
find
real
out.
product.
You really, you know what I'm saying? Most of the time you mix everything, but if you can drink something straight and taste, you already know you won.
Everything.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Hey!
Smells strong.
No lie.
Whoa!
But you
This
could
is
drink
great.
it. You could drink it.
Yo,
drink it just like
this
that.
is great. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
No. Come on. This is no. This is great. Yo, I gotta come on this side.
It's a great
Hey.
mixing drink.
Yeah,
You
it
can
is.
take that and mix it with like strawberry
Something.
fries.
Yo,
That's why they say fruity stuff.
is great.
It makes slushies great and all of it.
I was not expecting this. This is great.
This
This
is
is soda.
This is
This is
great.
making you dance all night.
It's not bitter.
It'll be in the girl phase line.
Right, yeah, you feel me? It's not bitter, it's smooth, it has its own taste to it. Now, making drinks with this It's, oh man. I could, you know what? I'm glad we got mixer because we're going to be here all night. Hey, battle of vibe. Hey. Woo. Yo.
It is good.
This is excellent. Yo, let's make our...
I'm a Henny man, so this is what makes it crazy.
You should have been here last weekend when we had the free Henny tasting.
Do you follow HTL Pines FL?
Do you follow us?
Well, this is my first day hearing about it.
You gotta follow so you can. They have free tastings.
You need to follow Pincho Puga too.
Yes, thank you. Gotta follow me too.
Got you.
You too. Just kidding. Mine is like a food account if you guys are
Now
ever
look,
interested.
oh, you know what? I'm not, you know what? Listen, I was gonna come over here and bring the flyer, but
That
after
goes with my
all of
favorite
this,
stuff.
we all gonna be
Oh,
following
yeah?
each other after this. We ain't even worried about that. You feel me? But for everybody out there in TV land, HTL Pines.
Bring the girls like,
Yeah,
like
like,
this thing, like
here's-
one little bitty thing.
Yeah.
I know you want to try to look for the thing.
I ain't
Can't
not-
lie to you now.
You trying to put you on? Normally it's me.
Hey,
You
I
feel
got
me?
some ladies, you feel me? Trying to take them, get a little shot
You
thing.
feel me? Tell you gonna have me in your
Just a
face
little
like
bit of
that.
that thing
Now,
like
you feel
that.
me?
3 out.
3 olives rose.
It's
Now,
good.
they 3 olives needs you to promote them.
listen, we gonna be here all day. Check it out. That's the ice cup, okay? That's the ice cup. Everybody get you a little bit of ice in your cup from the ice cup, okay?
Okay.
That's the next thing we doing. That's the ice cup. We came to make our first cocktail. Since we are at HTL Pines, we gonna put you on our little chasers and drinks, right? Let alone, you probably ain't never heard of this, let alone got it. This is Tropicana pineapple mango with lime.
Nice.
One more time.
That sounds like sex in the bottle.
Hey, you heard her say, ooh, so you know that's what it is.
Oh.
You feel me?
And
Pineapple mango with lime. You gotta say the whole thing like a Tribe Called
they say
Quest.
they know.
You
It's
feel
with
me?
the lime though.
With lime. You feel me? So that's the first thing we doing. A little 3 olives pour in the cup A, El Coupe, wherever you're from, you know. And then a little shake, a little twist. Remove that, you know, that fresh new. You know what I'm saying?
Too smooth.
Yeah. A little pour. And now we have the perfect cocktail. Don't worry, I will wait on everybody else. Go ahead, y'all.
Go ahead.
All right. You know, that's my camera woman. It's 2019. We progressive. You know what I'm saying? So, everybody, secondary round of cheers. Let's go ahead.
Cheers. Cheers.
Hey.
Yeah, you can't go wrong.
Yeah,
What, you can't
I was
go
gonna
wrong?
say not again. This is
It's actually. It tastes like juice.
Smooth like butter.
It's juice.
listen, people.
And they got a little strong thing. The shoulders move like, yeah.
Listen, people. If you was here last week with us for the Hennessy tasting when we made our Memorial Day weekend, this is on the same level.
Come.
How are you?
Howdy.
Y'all
It's her
look
birthday.
like y'all like
Happy
bro.
birthday.
You are with us? Oh.
Yes.
All right, I'm sorry, people. We're going to have to back on up. We're going to bring them up to speed. We started with the Cavit Rose 2017 limited edition. Go ahead. I'll go ahead and pour it, just to make it. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. I almost stole the joy from you.
Yeah.
You got to take a little straight, just so you know how good this stuff really is.
That's so strong.
It smells.
Vodka.
It's rosé vodka. Let us know what you think.
Okay, do I just take like
Yeah.
a shot?
No. Sip.
No.
You can sip. Right. We didn't know rosé vodka was possible.
That's so crazy.
I know. Oh my god.
Thank you.
So smooth.
Say that, please. I
Say it
told
to the camera.
So
So
delicious.
smooth. It's
Wow.
good. Yeah, wow.
Listen,
Surprise.
people. I can't cap.
This is amazing.
It's vodka?
Listen.
Rosé
The same reaction y'all have and I had. Like, yo, this is.
This
I
is
didn't.
really good.
It's really good. That it is.
First cocktail.
Tropican orange juice. I'm sorry.
I don't know.
Listen, hey people, hey, I almost jumped on.
Pineapple mango.
Yeah, not making no
Pineapple
motions.
mango.
Wait, no. Please finish.
With lime.
Thank you. Thank you. Pineapple mango with lime. You got to say the whole thing like a Tribe
Pineapple
Called Quest.
mango with lime.
There we go. I like
Nice.
this good too. Get you a little pour. That change colors on you like that. Give it a little swing around. Give it a little swing around in there. Yeah.
And then so you're honest with the DM.
And we like
Smells
honest.
good, first of all.
Smells good. You know women like smells. You know what I'm saying? And I'm still sipping, so.
Oh my god.
It's juice.
It's cool because you can taste the vodka with it, but then again, like the
not
tropical
too
flavors of
It's
it.
not like
Right,
vodka
it-
is punching your throat.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Brings
you
it all
can-
together.
Yeah, it goes all
Brings it all
together.
together.
You can
yeah.
taste the vodka, but it goes underneath
Yeah.
the fruity taste, the rose, and all that
This
stuff.
is dangerous.
Listen, when I
This is
listen,
dangerous.
when I do this video, it's probably gonna be a big red danger flashing right there for real, man. This
Tastes
is
so good.
listen, people. Y'all done seen tastings before. I'm telling you, if you even want to try something new, this is the direction you want to go because it really is good. It's 3 Olives Rosé right now. Well, first we drinking straight, and I promise you, you can drink this stuff by itself. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
Listen, y'all, they ain't gonna lie to you. But when you start mixing this stuff, somebody is gonna end up in a position they didn't think they was gonna be in. I'm gonna leave it like that. It's gonna, hey, all right, now I ain't gonna say nothing else, okay? You better sip slow, all right? Now, we're gonna move on to our second cocktail of the same 3 Olives, right? Let me pull my whisk back up. Look at that. Okay.
Jordan, can I time out so we can make this
Adjusted.
You know what?
adjust the situation?
We have our camera woman, because we're progressive, who wants to time us out and make sure we get everything right. So guess what y'all gonna do? Wait. Thank you.
So